Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial which will be definitely under 10 minutes and a quick and easy one, but definitely fun and interesting. So in this one, I will show you the trick of progress bars and how you can make those beautiful transitions with multiple design elements without making multiple screens. So I'll just quickly play this to show you what exactly we'll be learning today. So yeah, there you see a beautiful transition of the progress bar to another video without making multiple screens and without anyone interacting with the screen, right? So let's quickly dive in. So first things first, I'll just delete this for now. I have the 3 videos of my choice. I use the website Brexels. They have good downloadable images and videos that are free. And another one is Splash. So go ahead and explore. So, and this is the 3 progress bar for the 3 videos. First things first, I'll select this one and duplicate it. You can do it with Command D or Command C, Command V on your Mac, or right clicking it. And I'll quickly go ahead and change the color because I want to show you the distinguished progression and not just with the simple one color, otherwise it won't be visible, right? And then I'll quickly go over and group it. Make sure to always group your selections because that's how you get all your interactions done. And then turn this into a component and into a variant till the time it's a component set. You can make your interactions within that. You don't have to specifically make a frame. And the trick is, I'll zoom in to select the first rectangle and drag it to 0. If you're unable to do it with your mouse, I'll suggest go to the properties panel in the layout and in the width and write the specific number 0.001 because that's where it brings out that beautiful transition. And then once that is done, we'll connect it. So hitting the prototype mode, the trigger would be after delay. That would be 800 so that it can show the progression accordingly instead of putting 1, otherwise you won't be able to see it. Animation would be smart animate. You can play around with any. I prefer slow because that brings out the actual beauty. And 10,000, why 10,000? Because I check the videos end around that time, right? So that's done, and I'll name this as first. Please always make this habit to name your layers, components, anything, because it only makes all the file organized. So now, as you can see, I had already made the middle one and the last one to follow and to use all those instances in the videos accordingly. And the middle one, if you notice, the first 2 will be a solid color and the interaction happens in the middle element. The last one, again, first 2 elements are colored with solid and the last would be for your interactions as I showed you. And now I'll quickly go ahead and drop all these instances. So hover, hit Option till you see the double arrow, drag and drop. Make sure it's always the first instance and not the entire thing. So if you do that, what's going to happen is everything will be selected and we don't want that, right? So always make sure everything is deselected and only the targeted instance is selected. There goes the middle one, and you can align it as per you, as per your preferences, as per your design to shine. And the last one, we go ahead and place it in their designated videos. Again, make sure to group everything, otherwise you won't get the progress element, only the video, because Figma can only understand where everything is grouped in one particular area, right? And the final grouping, we select all the three and make it as a component set. We don't have to make variants because these are the designated elements that we'll work with. And then we go ahead and put in our interactions. It will be after delay 10,000 because the progress ends at 10,000, and it should transition to the next. No further animation, but we want an instant change. Same for this one. After delay 10,000, make sure the timings are all aligned with your videos and progress bars. That's how you get that smooth transition. Otherwise there will be a lag and it won't come out properly, right? We don't have to connect the third with the first because it's not a cycle, but just one smooth transition from video 1 to video 3. And you can, have multiple videos. It's just for the demo that I have 3. And again, name it video progress bars. Okay, once that is sorted, we deselect, otherwise the entire thing will come together. We don't want that. Making sure the first is highlighted. Drag and drop in our areas, and I have marked all my grids. I'm using a 4-point grid system. I'll tackle that in the next video. And let's see the play mode. So there you go. The perfect transition, that slow progress, that brings out the beauty. The video is playing, transitions to another one without changing multiple screens and without interacting on any other element, right? So yeah, feel free to experiment, explore, and make your beautiful designs. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.